In this tutorial, I'll show you how to automatically summarize or analyze articles from any website. This setup is simple. RSS.app collects the latest articles for you. n8n sends them to ChatGPT for analysis, and Google Sheets stores the summaries. No coding required. Let's start by generating our feeds. Go to a few websites you want to track, for example, BBC or CNN, and copy the link. Then, open RSS.app. Paste the link into the generator and click Generate. Once your feed appears, click Save to My Feeds. Repeat this step for each site you want to include. Next, go to the Bundles tab and combine all the feeds you just created into a single stream. Go to Filters and enable Auto-Hide Posts with Duplicates, or apply keyword filters if you want to focus on a specific topic. Limit the number of posts in feed output. Then, copy the XML feed URL. We'll use that inside n8n. Next, we need to connect to ChatGPT through the OpenAI API. Go to the OpenAI platform and create a new secret key. If you haven't used it before, you'll need to add a small credit balance first to make requests. Now, let's move to n8n. Create a new workflow and add the RSS feed trigger node. Set how often you want it to check for new posts, like every 15 minutes. Paste in your RSS app bundle URL. Then click Fetch Test Event. You should see the feed details appear on the right. Next, add a Google Sheets node to store your articles. Connect your Google account and set it to Append Row. Choose your spreadsheet. Now, map each field from the RSS feed trigger to its matching column. Click Execute Step. You should see a new row appear in your sheet with all the article details filled in. Next, add the ChatGPT node. Choose OpenAI from the list of integrations. Paste in your API key into the Credentials window. In the Operation field, select Message a Model. Once that's done, choose your model and paste in your prompt depending on what kind of analysis you want. I'll ask ChatGPT to explain how the article might affect American politics. Before running it, make sure to map the fields from your sheet into the prompt so ChatGPT has all the context it needs for the analysis. You can adjust the prompt for other goals too, like summarizing blog posts or identifying industry trends. When you're ready, click Execute Step to preview the response and make sure the output looks good. Finally, add another Google Sheets node for the AI results. Connect to the same spreadsheet, but use a second sheet, like OpenAI. Here, you can map fields from both the RSS feed and the ChatGPT response. For example, include the date and URL from the feed and the analysis text from ChatGPT. Click Execute Step again to test it, and you should see your first AI-generated summary appear in the sheet. Once all your nodes are working, click Execute Workflow to run everything together. New articles will be added to your first sheet, and the AI-generated summaries will go into the second one. Toggle the Active button to have it run automatically according to your set poll time. And that's it! You've just built a fully automated content analysis pipeline. You can adapt it to summarize research papers, monitor competitors, or post highlights on Twitter and LinkedIn, whatever fits your workflow. Try it out yourself at RSS.app.